These are some of the most common sugar cookie decorating mistakes that can ruin your designs, and how to avoid them so your cookies turn out cleaner, smoother, and more professional looking every time. If you've ever struggled with icing that won't cooperate, colors that look dull, or designs that end up messy, these tips will make a big difference. Decorating sugar cookies is both an art and a science, and avoiding a few key mistakes can completely change your results. Whether you're brand new to cookie decorating or just trying to improve your skills, these decorating tips will help you create cookies that not only look beautiful, but taste great too. One of the biggest sugar cookie decorating mistakes is ignoring icing consistency. If your icing is too thick, it won't spread smoothly, and if it's too runny, it can overflow and lose its shape. The right consistency helps icing look glossy, smooth, and easy to work with. A helpful guideline is the 10-second rule. When icing falls back into the bowl, it should take about 10 seconds to settle flat. Starting with thicker icing and slowly thinning it gives you much better control while decorating. Another common mistake is skipping the outline technique. Outlining your cookie before flooding with icing helps prevent colors from bleeding into each other and keeps edges clean and defined. Using a slightly thicker icing for outlining creates a barrier that holds the flood icing in place. Letting the outline set briefly before filling in the center gives your cookies a polished, professional look. Choosing the wrong sprinkles is another decorating mistake many bakers make. Some sprinkles melt, bleed, or overpower the design, especially when exposed to moisture or icing. Sprinkles like nonpareils, jimmies, sugar crystals, and edible glitter tend to work best for decorated cookies. Smaller sprinkles are better for detailed designs, while larger ones work well as bold accents. Not using enough food coloring can also affect the final look of your cookies. Many decorators hesitate to add more color, which often leads to dull or washed-out designs. Gel food coloring is best because it creates rich, vibrant colors without thinning the icing. Colors also deepen as the icing dries, so slightly bolder shades usually look better once fully set. Forgetting to let icing dry properly is another mistake that can ruin hours of work. Rushing the drying process often leads to smudged designs, bleeding colors, and accidental fingerprints. Depending on humidity and icing thickness, icing may need several hours or even overnight to fully dry. Giving your cookies enough time to set helps keep designs crisp and clean. Incorrect baking temperature is another issue that can affect decorating. Cookies baked at the wrong temperature may spread too much or bake unevenly, making them harder to decorate. Using an oven thermometer, preheating properly, and rotating baking sheets helps ensure cookies bake evenly and keep a flat surface that's ideal for decorating. Not planning your designs ahead of time can also lead to messy or inconsistent results. Decorating without a plan often makes designs feel cluttered or rushed. Taking a few minutes to plan colors, shapes, or themes helps cookies look intentional and cohesive. Sketching ideas or using stencils can save time and reduce decorating stress, especially when working on larger batches. By avoiding these common sugar cookie decorating mistakes, you can improve your icing control, color vibrancy, and overall design quality. Small changes in technique can make a big difference in how your cookies turn out. You'll find all 10 decorating tips and detailed explanations linked below if you'd like to improve your sugar cookie decorating skills step by step. It's a great resource to use for your next baking session.